Hello guys, I am back with another mind-blowing tutorial on urban blue effect in Adobe Lightroom. I promise it will shock you. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for getting more interesting video first. So let's get started. First, import your image. I had already imported my image. If you want to download this image, as always the link is in description. First go to Light section, set exposure to 0.3, set contrast to 32. Set highlights to -100, set shadows to 100, set whites to -50. Again, set black to -50. Now go to Mix section in grading. Set hue to 100. Set saturation to -42. Set luminance to 36. Select orange color, set hue to 2. Set saturation to -18. Set luminance to 10. Then select yellow color, set hue to -100, then select green color, set hue to -100. Set saturation to 100. Now select light blue, set hue to -100, set saturation to 100, set luminance to -100. Now select blue color. Set hue to -4, set saturation to 64. Set luminance to -44. Now select violet color, set hue to 2. Select pink color, set hue to 2. Now go to Effect section. Set dehaze to -8. Set vignette to -38. Set midpoint to 48. Set feather to 53. And lastly go to the details section. Set sharpening to 14. Set noise reduction to 28. Set contrast to 100. Color noise reduction to 100. And lastly, set details and smoothness to 100. Finally, our work is done. Now check the before-after difference. This is Urban Blue Effect. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button